Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Today we're going to be talking about the thank you page design and things that you can do with it here. So the thank you page is on the right, as you can see, and this is kind of a basic layout that you see there as far as there's a headline, a video, and not much else. So I'm going to show you, we're going to go in, take a look at the thank you page and some of the stuff that you can do with it. So before we jump into the design and start messing around with stuff, let's just take a look at some of the things that we can do with our thank you page. Now, one of the cool things that we can do is survey our audience and get some information from them. Specifically, what kind of problems are they having? Because we like to make solutions for those problems, profitable solutions for those problems, right? So that's one of the great things about surveys. The next thing that we can do is use it to get free traffic. I'm going to actually show you a little bit about that today by getting people to share your funnel around. The next thing that we can do is have some type of affiliate offer in place. This is crucial because this gives you the opportunity to start making some money off your funnel. And if you're paying for advertising, this is what offsets your advertising costs, and this is what grows your business without going broke trying to do it. The next thing that we can also do is in the future, because we've surveyed our audience, we've found out some problems that they've had, and we've created some products for them, we can just do a little bit of reconfiguration on our funnel and then add our products onto the end and start selling them through our lead generation funnel. And I'll show you more about that as we go along in the upcoming lessons here. But some really cool stuff that we can do with our thank you page. Now, the last thing is that we can have people go and click and sign up for a webinar. Webinars that's coming in the later lessons here, but these are some things that you can bear in mind because funnels don't just stay static as your business grows and evolves. You're going to need to go and reconfigure things. So this is some cool stuff that you can do with your thank you page. So let's just take a look at one of them here as far as free traffic. So what I'm going to show you is how to set up some share links on your thank you page here. Now, when you've got share links on there, you're saying, like, hey, pass this around, show your friends. You kind of got to give people a reason to share. Now, you can't just go and give away, like a $5 gift card to everyone who shares your page. If you can, great. You're probably going to get some awesome sharing going on. So you got to be a little bit tricky with how you persuade people to share your page around. I'll show you how that works. So let's take a look over at the builder here and see our thank you page. Okay, so here's our thank you page, pretty plain Jane. So we do want to thank them for opting in. We can say, here's the report, but if we went and used the integrations and we're getting that digital asset delivered by our website builder, we can totally change this up. Thanks, and we can say, click in here. Your report is on the way. Please watch this video, because maybe we have a video to show them. If we don't have a video, that's okay. I just want to show you how easy this is to go in and customize. So please watch, your report's on the way. Please watch this video. We can say, please watch this short video. But all we have to do is just click and then just drag this element in. I want it right below there. If I let go, boom. Now I've got a video in here. All I have to do, again, to configure anything is just click on the little gear, the settings, and then I would just put a link. If we've got it on YouTube, I would just put the YouTube URL, paste that in here, and then this would have my YouTube video. So we can say that we don't have a video and we're just going to be doing some sharing. Maybe we're not going to deliver this report here, so we can go into certain elements. Now normally you can just go in and delete elements, but I'm going to show you a nifty little trick. If I go in, click on this elements, and then click on manage, so this is going to show every element on this page. And if I scroll down here, just move my mouse over, it'll actually move and highlight each element. So it's really easy to find things. So this button, this download button, all I do is just click on this little eye icon. So it's not deleted, it's just hidden. So it's still there, but just invisible essentially. So I can turn it back on, off, just by clicking on it. So let's turn that off and keep that out of there. This line I don't need, but you know what, we've got... Yeah. So we're just going to tell them thanks, the report's on the way, and now we've got our social sharing buttons underneath here. Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. So Facebook, all we have to do, each one of these is an individual button. So for the settings in here, we just want to put in the share URL. This is going to be the URL of your squeeze page. They'll click share, and if one of their friends sees it, decides to check it out, they'll click that link, and they won't arrive at this page, the thank you page. They'll arrive at the squeeze page, so that they have to enter their email address in order to get to this content here. So the great thing about that is that you can get another email subscriber essentially for free because someone shared this, right? So all we have to do is just put in the share URL, change anything as far as the Twitter title, Twitter username, and we can go in and set up this up. Now, it says share this report with your friends. Not very enticing, so we would have to do something a little more creative. So I'm just going to try and come up with something. Show your friends you are one of the good. Okay, so I've gone in and you can see now we're using more of an appeal to people's ego, sense of altruism, that kind of thing. So show your friends you are one of the good guys and pass along this life-changing report, right? So I've kind of upped it a bit. I'm not just saying, hey, you should share this. I'm giving them a reason why they should share it, a reason that's going to make them look good in the eyes of their friends, right? So if you want people to share, if you want to use this tactic, just do that extra little bit of work to just kind of bump it up and get some more sharing, some more free traffic out of this. Okay, so go ahead and try this out. Go ahead and jump into the builder, play around with your thank you page, and I will see you in the next video.